So looking at Ethereum, then you can see its metal technical target right now. Okay, the 4583. That was a beautiful long from there. Took its time to get there, but you can see it's come up a whopping 25%. Beautiful. You're marching through the fibs here. Okay, you've got a level of resistance of the 1272. You've broken through it, and you're holding it as support, so that's good. Right now, you've got another level of resistance here, the 1414, 4774. You start to get through that. That's my technical target that you're now in. So I do think you're looking at this for the Ethereum price tag here for Ethereum. Okay, boom, 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 balls go up the stairs. That's where you might run into a key level resistance and start to put in a bit of retracement, coming back down to another key level support. Okay, you've broken this high. This is golden. So potentially, if you do come up here and you do put in a correction, this could offer a fantastic entry point moving forward for the next leg of the bull market, taking you up to them higher highs basically. So you're looking really, really bullish. Okay, you're looking really, really good here for Ethereum, and you're marching towards the technical targets we've had for a very long time. Okay, you're holding this 20, like I said to you, you're holding a 20, you're in uptrend. You know, doing something like this, you can see if you did come back to this at this point, potentially this is where the 55 could eventually come to. If you do lose a 20 and you get bounced off that 55 moving forward, you know, if you get up here, right, and you're looking for a key level support and you lose a 20, just target the 55 on the daily. Currently sits at 3772. Okay, because you can see, look, you come up and you wick on it, don't you? You get that level of support for continuation. But this obviously was this correction, which was much needed, to be honest with you. ABC correction right there. So you can see that if you hold support, you're looking really, really good. Okay, coming up the stairs, swing high, come back down to a swing low, which would technically be this previous all-time high. Hold for support. Fantastic continuation here for Ethereum. Now, one thing I want to tell you about Ethereum, okay, if you start to see this again on the daily time frame, okay, you don't need me to tell you, but if you start to see this, think about your position in Ethereum, okay, because it's getting too parabolic, it's getting a bit extreme. There was a bit of it just here as well, by the way. We had a bit of a breakout just there, but it went sideways, went up and corrected. Okay, at that point I thought, oh, you know, is this the bear market? Is this a double top? Is it a double top? But essentially we're forming one massive big cup and handle pattern, which technically you are still in. You've got a break of this cup and handle pattern. So I'm going to show you that technical target right now. I think I've shown it in a previous video from there to there. So let's have a look and see where this technical break is right now. So you can see that you're trying to get there. Okay, and worst case scenario is you come back down to the trend line of the cup and handle pattern. So you're actually in a technical target of a cup and handle to 6290, which is one of our fib targets from many moons ago anyway. I think we're looking at a top end of 8k at the moment for Ethereum moving forward. That's the 1618 on the weekly time frame right there, which I've had laid down for many moons. So you can see it's marching towards it. You know, if you do start to come up to the 1618 right now, you start to retrace, you've got two levels of support. You've got this previous swing high and you've got this neckline of this cup and handle pattern. Look at that, your beautiful cup and handle, your handle pattern, which is a falling wedge. You've broken that, so that was looking at, you know, retracing to that high. Like I said to you, you've done that. That's where you run into resistance, got through, back to support, broken out basically. So you're in a technical target to that, okay, providing you can hold the support at least of the neckline. So if we do see a whopping market correction, and you do know these things happen, look at that ABC just there, okay, these things do happen. If you do see a correction at the 1618 and it comes all the way down, that's a 25% correction, another fantastic entry point for Ethereum in this bull market if it loses this swing high. Okay, the swing high correction would be around about 19-20% for Ethereum moving forward. Okay, so it's doing everything it needs to. You know, a correction might not even come, but you know, you only have to look at the charts to see that you do have corrections, and these are nominal. Come up, correct, come up, correct, come up, correct, then you start to come up and you start to go parabolic. At this point, apply a bit of common sense, okay, in your charting and you know, in your investments in Ethereum basically. That's Ethereum. It's looking really good for continuation. You've got your key levels of support. That's a technical level of support, but you can see it's descending, so this changes, and then you've got this horizontal level of support, which is the previous swing high. If you was to see a roll in the market, I would anticipate that in itself is a fantastic entry point at this point. You know, even if it rolls here, runs into the 1414 and comes for retracement, for me, you're 20, and this swing high is a massive level of support going forward for Ethereum in this whopping uptrend that it's actually in. Okay, take care. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Thank you for support. Bye bye.